Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. There is one common mistake that people often make, and that can result into expensive repairs, thousands of dollars in replacing computers, modules. We'll explain what it is, how we know about it. It happened to us back in the day, so we want to make sure you don't do that and don't spend money that you don't have to. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger or Dodge Charger. We're talking about that generation from year 2014 to year 2024. If you need to find where your car battery is located, we'll also talk about common mistakes people make when replacing a car battery that can destroy engines, computers, that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us guys, we'll explain what it is. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you guys how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine lights, fuses, transmission. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So guys, where is the car battery located? Why we mentioned Dodge Charger and Challenger? They're built on the same platform. They share engines, transmissions, almost everything is the same on these vehicles. One is a 2-door, one is a 4-door practically guys. Multiple things will be the same. But most people, they will open the hood, right? And when you open the hood, you just hope to find your car battery there. And it will be there on probably 80% of the vehicles nowadays. It will be under the hood guys. But if you look around, there is nothing. Okay, under that cover here is the brake pump and the brake fluid reservoir. On this side here is your cabin air filter, engine, computer, but no battery anywhere. On some Dodge vehicles they used to be, actually guys, they used to be hidden under the fender, which was even more ridiculous. But on this one specifically guys, let us show you, we'll talk about common mistakes people make when they replace a battery too. We're going to come right here, open the trunk, lift the carpet liner up. The moment you lift it up guys, underneath, okay, let us show you, you have your spare tire. On the right side of it is your car battery located right there. Now it's very important to know which battery terminal to disconnect first and which battery terminal to reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn modules, computers that can cost you thousands of dollars in future repairs. How we know about that? We did it ourselves back in the day. When we first started working on cars, it cost us $2,000 guys, which is incredible amount of money even nowadays. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below to a video that will explain which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first. After that guys, make sure you get the correct size of battery. If you need to buy replacement battery at a good price, we'll put the information in the description below where you can get one from guys. If you want to see step-by-step instructions how to replace car battery on Dodge Challenger or Dodge Charger, video will be on our YouTube channel, check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.